In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain in Namecheap. First step is going to namecheap.com and click on sign up to create a free account. I'm going to fill this form with my personal information. Now it's time to search for a domain. At first, I was looking for a .com domain, but as you can see, this is not available. So I'm going to go with techmehow.site. Next step is adding this domain to the cart and click on checkout. You can choose how many years you want your subscription to be. I'm going to leave at 1. You also have the option to renew your domain automatically every year. In this case, I'm going to disable the auto renew option. This privacy option hides your personal information, like your address and name, at no extra cost. Now it's time to confirm the order. Add your personal information and scroll down to enable this checkbox to save this configuration. This way, you don't have to do it again. As you can see, you can pay with your credit card or PayPal. I'm going to go with PayPal. We're almost done. Be sure your information is correct and click the Pay Now button. Finally, I'm going to log into my PayPal account to complete the purchase. And we're done. Now you know how to purchase a domain in Namecheap. In the coming videos, I'll be showing you how to connect this domain to a hosting provider. And if you want to know my #1 web hosting recommendation, check out the link below in the description.